Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. Here I use office shapes to create art as well as create presentations. Today I'm going to show you how to create a thank you slide that's animated in PowerPoint. Add an extra slide here. Just so we have one here to work with. And I'm going to get rid of this area. All right, so the first thing, go into Insert, Shapes, and we look for the happy face. Take that and draw that. Go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, give it a yellow color. I'm going to go into Shape Outline and give it a weight of 3 points. And if you don't want the block color, let's just choose this one like we had before, the purple. All right, and then you're going to go into Shape Format, and either you go into Format Shape here, or you can right click and go into Format Shape here, and it'll bring you to this same screen. Choose the middle icon, choose the bevel. I'm going to choose round, and I'm just going to choose a higher width, like so. And then I'm going to go into material and choose the dark edge, then into lighting, and you can look around. I'm going to take this one here, choose whatever you want. All right, so that's done. That's going to be in the front, so we're going to say, since there's only one object right now, we can't, but bring to front. Now we go Insert, Shapes, choose the text box, and we're going to type in thank you. I get the return, like so. I'm going to highlight everything. I'm going to choose the middle, set to center it. I'm going to go Home, choose Arial Black, and let's say 200 size font. Okay. Let's do that. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to say send to back. So now we have this in front. And you can put it here. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. Right there. I'm just going to click on off the text box to the side here. You say Insert, Shapes, and you choose a square or rectangle. Just draw that out. I guess we can cover the whole item or the whole area. Now I'm going to choose Gradient Fill. And I already had that set, but you would choose 3 or 4 color stops or gradient stops, and then you can change the colors to what you want. So like this one, I want to make it a little bit darker, like that. But I'm going to leave it as it is. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to say, and by the way, you're going to choose radial, and then you're going to choose for direction, you're going to choose the center. Now you're going to go send to back, right click, send to back. So this is in the front. And you're going to go close that. I have the animation pane open. You go to animation and then go animation pane here. Okay, so now I'm going to choose the happy face, and all I have to do is go into animations, and then I'm going to choose entrance bounce, and that's where it's going to land. So this was the one we already made, so I'm going to get rid of that one, or the one I've already made. So this is the one we've made. All right, you got this set up. can go into timing. You can make this faster. I'm going to leave it at 2 seconds, and it's going to be not on click, but with previous to start it, and leave repeat as none. So, okay. So what's going to happen is when you go into the first slide and you click for the next slide, it's going to automatically run the animation. And that's it. Thank you for watching.